God, look, like, oh!
Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes later.
He said, let's get out of this town. So you want to play with magic? Ah, it's cold!
Okay, don't ask me what happened to my face real quick, but I didn't do an intro, so I'm staying in the car for 24 hours, and, yeah, don't ask what happened to my face. Okay, before this video starts, whatever, blah, 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 make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share, and comment down any videos down below, okay? Love you.
Well, yeah, I'm in my dad's car right now. I'm in here. I don't know what to do. I have all my snacks and stuff in here. But first, we'll put all the snacks in the bag.
1 second. Keep the door open.
Hi, you see me? I see you. Oh, air freshening because I don't want to stay. I'm here. I'm here. And we're in this car for 24 hours! I'm so excited. Oh my God. I don't know why I'm so excited. Someone called my dad's phone. Who called it? I don't have nothing to drink in here, and this is so freaking sad. Who called? Can't hear it now. I'm sorry, he's not here. But he loves you, so. Wait, so how do I turn this off?
You want to go even bigger? Get a 75-inch for just $5.99.
$5.99. Oh, okay. So what do you do? I don't know what to do in the car by myself for 24 hours. So you know what? I'm gonna get comfortable. Oh. Should I drive? Let's check if I know how to drive. No, I'm not gonna drive. My dad told me not to drive. I can't even drive myself. Okay. Oh.
Including Black Girl Magic, Black Men Rise, Black...
You say Daisy, you say a lot. Understand how to turn the car off. I don't want to waste my dad's battery. I can take my mask off because like I'm in the battery won't charge warning. Please the system inching this warning. Okay, I have the car on. Listen, guys, I have the car on, but I don't know how to turn it off. So let me call my mom or something. Hey, Mom.
What?
How do you turn off the car?
Why is your daddy's phone? Where's yours?
I have my phone, but I'm recording on my phone. But I'm using your phone. I'm using his phone to call people and watch Netflix and stuff like that.
Well, let me put that on the phone. Hello, boy. Now I got a quick question. Come on, what?
How do you turn off your car?
Turn it off?
Like,
Is it running?
let me FaceTime you. Oh my God.
what's the matter?
Is this off? Because this is off, but this is not off.
No, open the door. Open the door. No, that's not good. Let's open the door.
Okay.
It's off now.
Yay!
How long you had the car running like that? I'm gonna kill my batteries.
For like 5 minutes. Look, say hi.
No. Nah, don't do that no more, okay?
Okay.
And listen, you turned the car off and the radio was on?
No, I turned the car off, and the radio, yes, it was on.
For how long?
For like, till I called you, not that long. Okay.
When you get out, the alarm's gonna go off, alright?
Okay. Love you. Bye. Yeah. Okay, bye. Okay, now he's mad. I don't know why he's mad. It's just a joke. Calm down. Anyway, okay, so I'm in the car for 24 hours. I really don't care. So, back to basics. Okay, so first we're going to watch... It's cold! I don't know why I'm yelling. I am yelling because, let me explain something to you. I am yelling because I like to yell, and if you have a problem with that, then I don't know. Oh, it's freezing in here. It's freaking freezing, and I'm only in a t-shirt. I might get sick. Okay, so first, you know what? Let's just listen to music on my dad's phone, you know? Okay, what do we do in these cars? I'm hungry. Fuck. I got the, where's the dip? Where's the dip? I bought the dip. No, what happened to the dip? You know what? Let's see Pirate Booty first. But first, you know what? Let's watch a Netflix movie. Let's do that. Okay, so you can't know my dad's password. Okay. So, he said, let's get out of this town, drive out of the city, away from the crowd. Me down, he's so tall. The last remission his. Say you remember me. Hey, oh, nothing in my brain. Yeah, that's what people say. Oh, that's what people say. Oh. Like I got these excuses. I'm just gonna shake. I shake it off. Oh, what? Skirt. Oh, he's fine right there. Just kidding. That was nobody. Katy Perry. Juicy J. Stop. Keep it boy everything. Sticky leg, and play with magic. So I should know what you're falling for. Yeah, I gotta put the rodeo on my arms as well. If you don't buy this, okay, Katy Perry, I don't want to get copyrighted, so we gotta give it a second, okay? If you guys don't use this to put under your underarm pits, then I don't know. I use the bar though. Oh, cold in here, and I just put this in my shirt already, and I'm ready. Oh, frick! Don't see no bra. Why does that burn? That burned. Like it actually burned. That burned. You burned me. Okay, let's do it again. It's like a little tingly. It's like but it smells really. Okay, that one didn't burn. Okay, that didn't burn that bad. Like that actually burnt. Like it really burnt. Oh my god, it's so freaking freezing in here. Oh my god, why is it so cold? You know what? It's fine. I don't have a boyfriend. It's oh god. Oh, it stinks. These parts. Okay, guys, I'm back here. I'm coming. I'm back. I'm in the back. This is. Oh my god, you fell. Let me put you here. This is comfortable. This is kind of like. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, don't. Oh my god, look how it's getting dark already. Okay, I'm gonna have such a crazy day because I'm going to Manhattan later, just tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna be in the car all day, and my hair is gonna be messed up. I am not gonna look cute because I don't have no water, shampoo, and conditioner. But
it's fine. But other than that, I have some snacks. Where's my snacks? Well, you know what? Shower time. We have to actually take a shower. So, okay. I just put my. Let's put you here. Okay.
No, why are you falling? Don't fall like that. Okay. So first of all, I have to take a shower. So first I have to I'm not getting naked on camera. So if you thought that, then you're wrong. So look at my. Oh, it's so cold. Look, let me touch the. Damn, it's cold. Why is New York always cold? Why can't it be like California can be cold and New York can stay warm?
Is someone coming? Oh wait, hold on. I want a lollipop.
Lollipop, lollipop.
But wait, how cheap this thing was. It was $1 and it did that to me. I don't know why it did that. Okay, so
I have this lotion from Walmart, 97 cents. So I saved a few coins. Put it on your feet. Oh my God, New York is so cold today. Oh my God, I'm so tired. It's so cold. You put it on your legs and your feet like that. Can you see? Yeah, I hope you guys can. And then your feet are so moist. Ew!
wait, hold on. It's
My feet are so cold.
it's so cold. Let me put my shoe back on my foot. You don't need to really wear socks with Uggs. I told you that. It's so cold. I took a shower.
I washed one foot. Calm down.
Frick, it's freezing. It's so cold. Ah! Okay. I have my dad's key. Good. So that's good. Where's my dad's phone? Right here. So now we're gonna watch Netflix again because it's gonna be kind of dark. So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes.